Okay, alright. Look at the water! Look at the water! Okay, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, look at the pretty ramp. It's like the scene from Greece.
It's nothing like Greece.
It's kind of sort of. Come on, man. Come down here.
That's great.
Come on.
The water looks amazing.
Come on.
Here.
Come on.
Closer is
Come on.
water.
Bro. Dude. Dude. Just come down here. Just come on. Just. Bro, you're like. Bro. I mean. God damn. God damn. Mother Fido. Fucker. Fido. Just wait. We're just gonna just shh. It's okay. It's just shh. It'll be okay. Okay? I got this. I'll take care of you. I'm gonna protect you. Okay? Alright? Just follow me, because I'm a I know you're in a state of shock.
I'm not in shock.
Shut up.
I feel rich.
I'm sorry. Okay. I know this is a scary situation for you. But we're just going to go down there and we're going to face your fear. There's no monsters that are going to get you. I have my salt with me.
We're not worried about monsters.
Okay?
There's no fear. If I go next to her, I'm great. I'm good. You just don't put me behind. I'm great. I'm perfectly fine around water. Okay, girl. If I die, you die with me.
Look at this. We're on an adventure. It's okay.
We're gonna go this way because the water's that way, and I just feel like if we get too close to it.
See, it's kind of like the Grease scene, except it's missing this other ramp.
Where is this river leading to? Is my question. Where are we going? Oh, Lord Jesus! You get so close. You get so close. We're getting so close.
Oh, come on.
We're getting so close. We're getting so close.
Ow!
We're getting so close.
You're hurting my head. Area under video surveillance.
I look terrible right now. I look like a dead horse. I cannot do this. We are getting way too close to the
I just want to go right over here. Just right over here.
Look,
Just by the green pole. I got you. It's okay.
You don't got anything.
It's okay. I got you.
This is like...
Bro, the more you fight it, the worse it's going to be. There we go.
My life.
Look,
this is as close as I'm getting. I'm not looking. I'm not touching. That water looks dirty. There's things like inside of it.
Let's go. Let's go. Right down. That was a spider. That was a big ass spider. I didn't know if it had an orange on the top of its 8 legs. I didn't know if it was a fucking crab. But that was a huge goddamn... Oh, there's a spider there. Okay. Let's just... Ow. Oh, no. 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 No.
Not with the water and the spider.
No.
Oh, you want to walk over?
Oh, I hate bridges.
I
hate bridges. I hate bridges. Bro, this is another one of my fears is bridges.
Oh.
But we have to go.
Both of our fears because you love bridges and I just absolutely can swim all day.
I hate bridges, but we have to.
I hate water. You're on a bridge and I'm on water. These two things don't mix.
But we have to.
And then we're high in the air.
But we have to cross the bridge.
For
to go.
What?
Down for what? 4K! I don't think that means why.
I don't
I think it's just K.
I didn't take K. I don't know.
I should know this. I mean, I work in AutoZone. I'll keep you away from the water. Don't worry.
There's so much of it. Why is there so much of it?
I don't know, man.
Oh, Jesus. Can you imagine what the fuck is in these things?
Shh, just stop talking.
There's so much shit. There's
Here,
so
put this in your pocket.
There's so much.
Wait. Wait, okay. Is someone running away from us or towards us? Oh, didn't even bring my pocket knife.
You know, y'all white people like to jog at night. I don't know why.
I don't know either, okay? I don't know.
And I'm so sorry for
Damn, she looked like she was dying.
She was pretty. Oh, Jesus. Every time I move it, it just hits me like someone just took a second. And then we gotta cross it again. Jesus. Look at the moon.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
You don't see it?